Demystifying prepositions. Are they okay at the end of sentences? Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our ongoing journey of mastering English grammar. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting and often debated topic: prepositions at the end of sentences. You might have heard some people saying it's incorrect, while others insist it's perfectly fine. Let's dive into this fascinating world of prepositions and find out the truth. Before we dig into the heart of the matter, let's recap what a preposition is. Prepositions are words that link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They help describe things like locations, directions, time, and other relationships. For example, in the sentence, "She is at the park," "at" is the preposition that connects she and the park. The rule that you should never end a sentence with a preposition has its roots in Latin grammar. Latin is a language where the sentence's end is no place for a preposition. However, English is not Latin. In English, sometimes ending a sentence with a preposition sounds more natural. This is especially true in informal or spoken English. Here's the crux of the matter. It's okay to end a sentence with a preposition if the sentence would be less clear or natural without it. Consider this example: "Who are you going with?" It's far more natural and understandable than the supposedly correct version: "With whom are you going?" While it's fine to end a sentence with a preposition in many cases, you must also beware of unnecessary prepositions. These are prepositions that don't add any meaning to the sentence and could be removed without changing the sentence's sense. For example, in the sentence, "Where is he at?" the preposition "at" is unnecessary and can be dropped, making it, "Where is he?" And there we have it, folks. In the versatile and dynamic world of English grammar, rules are not always set in stone. While we have certain guidelines to follow, the primary goal is to convey our thoughts clearly and effectively. Remember, it's entirely okay to end a sentence with a preposition if it makes your sentence more natural or clearer. But avoid using unnecessary prepositions that don't add any meaning. Happy learning, and keep exploring the wonders of English grammar. Remember, this series is designed to help you understand English better and to make you a more confident speaker and writer. Stay tuned for more grammar fundamentals. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning.